Hello all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to do the perfect dewy base. Let's begin with mixing these two products together to get the glow from within kind of look. You could use anything from e.l.f. Halo Glow to using Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Star Filter as well. This way, if you're using a matte foundation, it changes the texture to a satin finish that looks even more healthy. You can use any kind of concealer that you like here because we're going to be setting it to matte finish, as if you leave these areas looking dewy, you will get a sweaty look, not a healthy glow that we're trying to achieve. Even if we are doing this dewy, healthy kind of glow, it is absolutely essential that you do set your face because we'll be adding more products to the top to give that effect. Setting your face is very, very important, especially living in India where we have tropical weather most of the year. You will tend to crease your concealer or your foundation, and as the day goes by, it will look either darker or discolored, or it could even separate. So please set your faces. Next up is blushes. Now I have a round shaped face, so I am going to be applying my blush in this area only. I could also teach you next time how to apply blush according to your face shape, so you do not always apply it to the sides of your face. That only looks good on certain kind of structures. Next up is one of the most important steps is your highlighter, and how you apply it and where you apply it matters so much. I suggest applying your highlighter with a smaller brush so you have more control over where you're applying it. You place the maximum pigment of the highlighter to the highest points of your cheeks, nose, chin and forehead, and then you diffuse it with a very light hand. This way there are no harsh lines which are very visible if you're out in the daylight. If you're sitting in front of lights, it'll always look perfect. But to look good in real life and not just on screen, that's very important. And the second and final important step is set your face. This spray by Anastasia Beverly Hills is so perfect for these looks. I highly recommend you trying this out. It will melt down your makeup into one layer and it looks so healthy, so dewy and so weightless. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you do. Thanks for watching.